Okay, let's play it. Everything is ready. Here is the light. So front, this one. Switch it on. And spinning by the track. That's the sound. Horn. Here's the engine sound, track sound. And pump start. Hydraulic engine sound. Spinning sound. Okay. Remove it. The bucket can be changed. That's the quick coupling for changing. You see, that's the quick connection, the coupling. So later we will change it to see the functions of the plier. Yeah, push in by hand, hold and lock it. And this one is the turning. Let's see how much can turn. Okay, now we change to this plier. Let's try this one. Spinning. Okay, that's the operation of this one. Now we will change to the grab. Turning. Opening. Let's see how much can open. This one open the battery chamber with this power switch and indicating how much remaining the power from battery. Bar inside, it is connected to the idler. Press down and open it. Some plastic peppers. You can open this side, the door. Inside have this flaps, but it's fixed. Yeah, inside it's shining stainless steel. Okay, the doors are closed and secured by magnet.